Baby, like I said, look at the line. They close together. I went over it more than once clearly. That is the blade.
It looks like you missed trips though when I look at it.
No, it don't. Look
Yeah,
at
it does.
Well, look at the tire lines. Look how they gonna be that close together.
Man, get down with them scissors.
Green, get out if we step in some boo-boo.
You want the grass?
You got a bunch left to go.
Okay.
You got about 3 blades over there.
Give me one more. I'll just do it. Damn it.
I mean, here, I'm talking about these
So we clip it.
What did she say when you told her?
She said, don't blah, blah,
Put this
like,
on YouTube, right?
I'm going to do it that straight there.
Scissors.
Aggravated gardener.
Bobbing and weaving out of it, because that's why I told you it's probably time to sharpen the
He
blade.
just has an excuse for everything. He has an excuse for everything.
Hell, that didn't go off it like that. I didn't miss no.
Babe,
You gotta think about it. Lawnmower is about like this wide, and these lines are about this big.
You gotta give me, damn, you ain't even looking at the shit.
yeah, it looks horrible, really.
Okay, look at it. That's what the lawnmower was doing for me, man. Shit, I'm pushing that hoe. What you want me to do?
All right, Ben. Nothing, Ben.
Mash it down and push it.
No, Ben.
I went over more than once.
We can never have a lawn service. You can't do my customers' yards like this.
What about the amusement park, Flinch?
Matt's running that, not Flynn. Put him somewhere else.
I ain't no professional there. I ain't claiming to be. Yeah.
Just do it and talking to you.
Yes.
He clipped the grass with the
I'm
scissors.
gonna do it, babe. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna
These scissors here.
Man,
The clip is the grass.
I'll do it. Don't worry about it.
I think they can understand English, man. Y'all watching the English YouTube channel, not the non-English one. Keep on going.
Don't worry
They
about
gonna
it.
clip it.
You got 5 more gigs of space if you
I ain't
record
never had a
your ass.
lawnmower that they do a good enough job for me. Usually, it'd be like, all right, just